Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an NX Pro Plus LE smartphone and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now if you've got the PIN and password and everything and your phone's working okay, you can do this straight from the Settings, System, Advanced, Reset options, and then Erase All Data Factory Reset menu choice by navigating through that. But if you've forgotten the PIN, if your phone is not responding, if it's lagging, if it's not connecting to things, if you're having issues like that you're trying to fix, we can do a hard reset via the buttons on the phone and the recovery mode. Now what you're going to do is if you want to do that, now keep in mind this will wipe everything off of your phone, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn your phone off and then you're going to press the volume up and power buttons simultaneously until the phone turns on. And this will take you to the recovery mode. And then from the recovery mode, you're going to use the volume buttons to toggle through here. We're going to toggle down to Wipe Data Factory Reset and hit the power button to select it. Once we get there, it's going to ask us to confirm and it's going to warn us once we do this, there's no going back, everything will be wiped. So we just want to toggle down off cancel to the yes or factory data reset option and then hit the power button again to confirm it. Then everything will be wiped off it. Once everything's wiped off it, we'll get back to the main recovery menu where we can select Reboot System Now. The phone will turn off and turn back on like a brand new phone.